Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Facebook story from specific people. This guide takes less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First thing first, launch your Facebook, get logged into your account. Tap onto your profile and then you will see a menu page. Select settings from here. And here you will see stories. This will be under audience and visibility. So open it and tap on who can see your stories. Here, select friends accept and you will see a list of all the people that you are friends with. Select the people or person that you would like to hide story from. Check their boxes here. And once done, they will be hidden from your stories and they will not be able to see it. If that helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to our channel Techmates. If you want guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments. The link is right down below.